How you haven't got scurvy yet, I don't know. I have started eating a little bit better now that we got an air fryer. I've been making like pizza bagels and stuff. Did you know there's only one shop here that sells pepperoni? How stupid is that? Twinkle Toes, give me the sword. She doesn't know how. Amy doesn't know how to mod. You don't deserve one. Oh, you're a creep!
I'm just there to give shout outs and delete comments.
Amy's just there to give shout outs and delete comments, and she doesn't do the shout outs very often.
Hey, I'm busy doing your work.
She's busy doing my work, so, you know. You know.
Busy doing everything.
Just jealous. But no pointy things? What do you mean no pointy things? I got lots of pointy things. I make pointy things. No, you can't. You sure?
Yeah. Busy working for free.
Wow, Twinkle Toes. You're not working for free.
Well, I mean, I'll do everything. I should get everything.
Do you see what I have to put up with? Absolute disgrace.
I should get paid more than you.
I give you a roof over your head.
No, you don't.
I feed you.
No, you don't.
I don't really do all of this stuff, but, you know, I'm just trying to make a point here, and she's just being very disrespectful, I'm just saying. I've already had enough of doing these.
Why don't you take a break for something else?
Nah, I'll get them done.
What have we got left to do on them?
I've got the strap details, which I'm doing.
How rude!
Oh my god! How rude! Every time. And then I've got to do the brown lines on him. Then I've got to do there's a bit of white on that I need to do. And then the rest of the strap, you know, it's like the light green around there. Yeah. That bit. That's kind of it, really. It's not a lot, but... I'm trying!
Stop getting distracted and work.
I keep getting distracted and it's not my fault. It's not my fault I keep getting distracted, alright? Just saying. Just saying. Does all the work, you just paint. I do just paint! But I also have to put up you lot, so she don't. Just sticking googly eyes on them fast. I can't buy googly eyes here.
Sure
I tried looking once. I want to go somewhere and just stick googly eyes on everything. Who says I don't like, you seem to have a... Hey, there is one channel point redemption. And that's it. Okay? The rest of it, there's nothing else. It's just a channel point redemption to make this lot happy. Because it makes me jump every single time. Yeah, the bottom is, yeah. Dirty Team Blue, excuse me, Shax. Take that out of your mouth. That's nah. I'm not having that. I'm not having that, Shax. Blue team, best team. Painting is hard work, though. I know, right? No googly eyes. Nope. What else was it I was talking about earlier that we said we couldn't get? It was something else. Oh, I don't know. I gotta get some bags soon off AliExpress. You know, like to pack stuff in CFEs first. And I'm just like, oh, lucky charms! I just don't really know what size bags to get. What did you do?
I went to push the pot and then I'm sticking my finger.
Oh, Amy just dipped her finger in the paint.
It was an accident.
Jar Jar Hat, animated version. Right, that's Beans. She drew up that emote and I felt bad not using it. Alright, that was Beardley's fault as well. Alright, that wasn't my fault. And actually, it's my most used emote. I forget things like that. I need bags. Same Beans. I got to get them on AliExpress. I don't know where else to buy them from. And I'm just like, do I need boxes for stuff? I don't know.
Heck ton of bubble wrap.
I need a heck ton of bubble wrap. Most used? No, because this lot love Jar Jar, not me. And I felt bad because it's Beans' emote. And it's Beans' fault. And Beardley's fault. Actually, I think it was Joe's fault. Joe started it. What is that emote? Oh my god. Don't worry about boxes for customers. They'll carry it if they want it enough. Fair enough, Beans. Fair enough. Live Rock. Live Rock. Oh my god, that Bacon Queen emote is actually fantastic. No, blue team does not. No! Blue team equals dinosaurs. Only draw what I'm asked to. It's Kilo!
Alright.
Yeah, it was Joe's fault because he was talking about making a Jar Jar sniper because I was talking about the ferryman sniper. And then Beardley started taking the mick out of me and then he started asking. Then he started calling me Chloe Binks and then asked Beans. And then asked Beans to draw the emote, so. Jepley! I need to move that. It's in the wrong place. Because I'm a queen. I can't even deny that, Bacon. You are a queen. Skip! You're welcome, Blue. I should really remove them out of the playlist. I just forget, so I'm just going to keep skipping them for now.
Hi! Oh, you're hissing! Come on, bring it in! Bring it up! Yes! Oh my gosh! Woo! You are a dinosaur! Okay, can you say hi?
You are a dinosaur. Can people stop ordering awkward number of products? Oh no, what did they order? What's the awkward number? I want to know now. Let me just remove those songs from my playlist, Blue, while I remember now. Where are they? Done. Is it 69? Nice. I don't really know how many of these frogs to bring to Sea of Thieves Fest. I think at the moment I've planned to do 5 and then 2 big ones. But I think I need to do a few more. I just need more time and less pain, and then I'll be able to do more. I don't like how close it's coming up. Like, we're already in May. Like, dude! I mean, I've done more. I think I'm going to have more than... I mean, I've done more than last year already, so... 68, just to be really annoying. I had 6 cans and people order 1. In this case, they ordered 4. Now I have to fill the box with a ton of packaging. Oh, I hate that. I do the same sometimes, Blue, when people order certain things. So, like, for example, with wands... When I make my wands, I make a custom box for the wand to go in like a cardboard black box that I make. But when they order it with a stand, I have to put it into a bigger box, which is I have to fill in with lots of packaging because of all the extra space that's in there. Because the box sits in it like... So that's the box, right? And the wand sits in it like that. And then there's just all this space here, and then the stand just goes inside. It's really annoying, so... All of them? Numbers is what I always struggle with. Same beans. Absolutely same. What are they made out of? They're resin printed. Yeah, Joe. Enough to fill a table. I've got to get another wooden stand. Warheads, if you think Sour Patch Kids. I am sure I have had Warheads before, because I'm sure I ordered them from the shop in Gran Canaria because I wanted some sour sweets for stream loots. Or somebody sent them to us.
It was, anyway.
And they weren't sour at all, and I was really disappointed.
Sorry, like the great one.
Unless they just weren't the sour version of them, I don't know. I thought I bought them.
I'm pretty sure we bought them because they said they were sour and we were using them for a little one, but they weren't sour.
No worries, Harry. They pay the same postage, 1 can and 6 cans. Yeah, it's the same with me. You can't even charge the difference in the postage prices because, like, for me, the Etsy and stuff just don't let you. It's not that flexible. It's like when people go and order four chests. Let's just say 4 mini chests, right? And they're like, "Can I get a discount on it?" And I'm like, "Well, no, because the cost for 1 chest is, say, to the UK is €12. If you add 4 onto that, it pushes it up past 500 kilos, and that charges it €17 on postage. So then they're just like, "Can I get a discount?" I'm just like, "No," because it pushes it up on the weight and the size of the packaging. My postage is well expensive. Do you want to know how much it is to send, you know the light up Athena chests I do? The small ones? The small light up ones. They are, to send to the US, €94. No worries. That doesn't even include the box or the packaging. That's just the postage. That's actually gone up. It used to be 80. Okay, that's 3 done. Try and do a couple more. Actually, if I move... I've got Monarch today. It's actually really nice. I can't remember the flavours between the cans. I like Monarch, I like Chaotic. They've been really nice. I had that pink punch one the other day, which I don't even think was the same as Pipeline Punch, because that's the one I was looking for. I didn't like that one at all. I do like Monarch. That one's actually really nice. I think I've got a couple of Ultras as well. I know I got the white one because I wanted to try that one. So I wanted to try that one. How you doing, the mountain? We're good. Welcome in. Hope you're well. What you got? She's got snacks.
Muddy buddies.
Muddy Bud. Mate, Americans, Muddy Buddies. I love Muddy Buddies. Alright, I've got the... Hey, give me. The peanut butter and chocolate. Oh my. These are so good. I'm very tired and stuck at work. Boo. I hope work goes quick for you. So you can rest when you get home. Absolutely not. I am not sharing these. No. Mm-mm. Mmm. They're called Muddy Buddies. Do you want the bag? Let me show you the bag. So nice. They're American. You'll probably have more luck than me, Derp, trying to get some. There's a website called Taste of the States. Have a look on there. They used to ship to me, then no, they don't. You've been at work since 6 p.m. last night? Oh my god, when do you finish? They do look good. I love, oh my god, bacon. They're so nice. If you can get some, get some. Started coming down with something last night. Oh, I hope you feel better soon, Derp. It's just coming up with mug cleaners. Muddy Buddies. Peanut. This website says they're out of stock. This is called American Candy Stores. They're here on eBay. Amazon. Currently unavailable. Yeah, they don't seem like they're available. Yeah, they seem to be out of stock on a lot of these websites. So you might not get them. £10 postage? Jesus Christ, on a motorbike. I can give it to you in a few minutes, just waiting on second shift to show up. I'm a firefighter. Oh, wow. That's actually really cool. At least you'll be able to get some rest soon. Where did you find them? That's really expensive dope. I would never buy food off eBay. Excuse me. That came out of nowhere. Amazon. Ooh. Pizza place charges 33 for a standard pizza and everything else charges 10 to 20. Wow. That's a lot. Everywhere's gone up though, which just sucks. Now I want pizza. But like a proper pizza. Like Papa John's or Pizza Hut. Star restaurants. Mate, where I live, we don't even have that. We literally... I live in a tourist area. And like... everything's just cooked from frozen. It's been frozen for like 2 weeks. It's disgusting. Papa John's pizza and all the side. Mate, it's the cheesy garlic bread with the buttery garlic dip. Mate, I could eat that all day. Chloe gets bread and water if she's lucky. This is true. Or is that Amy? What? Or Danny because he's locked in the basement. And I don't even have a basement. Van at the... Oh, no, that's not fair. I didn't even know they had pizza vans. Can I buy one?
Pizza what?
Papa John's pizza van.
Van?
Apparently.
Yeah, what?
When I went Comic-Con once, there was a Krispy Kreme donut van one, like, outside on the grounds, and I was just like, yeah, can I just steal the van, please? Thank you. I'll be like, I'll just drive it home. It's fine. It'd be cheaper than catching a fly anyway. That starts at $1,000 per person. What? Mate, I'm happy with a €2 cheeseburger. In walking distance to me, that's kind of got me spoiled for pizza. And then, what's mod pizza? Chipotle. I've never had Chipotle. No worries, Bacon. Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate you. Go have fun. I saw your clip where you were blowing that pirate about. That was hilarious. I haven't even found one of them horns yet. Ooh. Damn, no sword! What were you trying to do, Shags? Oh my god, 5 more to go. Cringe laugh. Did somebody call you? Oh my god. I didn't watch it with sound. I only watched it quickly this morning. Was he talking to you in chat saying you got a cringe laugh? Oh my god. That's because those are expensive too, as well as the extra courses. Oh my god. The Manning, I wouldn't even go there. Pick everything you want and it's cooked in a wood fire oven. Oh, that sounds amazing. Oh, you were trying to do a shout out? Oh, it was in the comments. Oh my god. Twitter is just full of trolls though. Last time I went. They go to the NEC events a lot. For my wife and I, my god, I couldn't even spend that on food. Unless I was at Disney. Yeah. I couldn't even eat that amount of food. Yeah, no, Twitter is just full of trolls. So, ignore them, Bacon, you're wonderful. And we love you. Shut on them as soon as I woke up. Oh god. Black hole for food. Fair, fair. I couldn't eat that amount of food. I don't eat as much as I used to. Then